Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and this is the Algebra Exit Ticket 29.3 video key. And what are two factors of 19 that add up to 20? Well, let's get our nice little handy-dandy x. We want two factors of 19, then we want them to add up to 20. Well, 1 and 19 will do the job. Okay, and that'll end up, we can, if we had a, well, I'll get to that in a second. So 1 and 19. Now, you might notice that that's x plus 1 times x plus 19 happens to be the factors of x squared plus 20x plus 19. We're going to find out for sure, though. So that's x times x. So that's x squared. That's what we're going to do in the beginning. Then we're going to do 1 times x and 19 times x. So plus 19x plus 1x. That's where that 20 is coming from. And then plus 19, and we put it all together, we get x squared plus 20x plus 19. Okay, and I could have over here gone ahead and said x plus 1 if I were factoring x squared plus 20x plus 19, and I could set up the factors using this nice handy-dandy tool. Okay, so x plus 1 times x plus 19. All right, now, oh, look at that. What are the two linear factors of x squared plus 20x plus 19? So once again, we just use this handy-dandy tool where we've got 19 as our product and 20 as our sum. Go ahead and go right in the plus, flump and flump, and multiplication right there. So x plus 19 and x plus 1. And so the two linear factors are going to be x plus 1 times x times 19, which is what you just worked with. X plus 1 times x plus 19. Now, what would be the factors of x squared minus 100? Remember, we could write that as x squared plus 0x minus 100. However, you might have already worked out that that's a difference of squares. So you're going to end up being x plus the square root of 100 and x minus the square root of 100. But let's prove it. We want negative 100. And that's our product. And we want to add up to 0. So two factors that work for that are going to be negative 10 and positive 10. And then we can set up our two linear equations that we're multiplying. That's going to be plus 10. I almost made a Jimbo mistake. That's going to be x minus 10. And so we have the sum of the square root of x squared and the square root of 100. And we have the difference of the square root of x squared and the square root of 100. So this is difference of squares. So x plus 10 times x minus 10. Hopefully that was helpful.